Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Inn at Grayson. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Inn at Grayson is located less than 1 mile off Interstate 64, features an indoor swimming pool, free continental breakfast, free Wi-Fi and free truck parking. Each room is equipped with coffee maker, microwave, mini-frig, cable TV, and free Wi-Fi. COVID-19 cleaning procedures in place for your safety. The Inn at Grayson offers a daily continental breakfast, with grab-and-go options. Copy and fax services offered at the front desk 24 hours per day. Kentucky Christian University is less than 5 minutes away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.